Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Yamaha cx40 coming in for a pro setup and a bridge repair. So yeah, there will be an explanation of what I did to the guitar after this. So just stay tuned.
Okay boss, here's a little update. I took off the string and take a look at the parts here. I think the previous guy used some sort of what I call it, epoxy. I think it's epoxy. So my suggestion now is I don't think changing a new bridge is worth doing. So what I would suggest is I'm going to clean the parts that has the glue, and I'm going to re-glue that part again properly. Then what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to put a dab of super glue right along this edge here to actually stick to this part of the wood. Okay, just maybe 2-3 drops to just help to reduce the tension when the string is going downwards down here, which causing the breaking itself. So there will be supporting glue this way, and of course this part will be held down in position as well. So that part is how I want, or how I suggest to glue the part itself. Then the other thing is for the strings, I think you can use lighter tension or you can still use normal tension, but I suggest lighter tension on it. Then the other thing is setup work. So you let me know what kind of setup you want. It's either you want standard setup or you want a pro setup. I will give you a quotation. You see if you're okay with that. If you're okay, I will proceed with the work. Okay, thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Yamaha cx40 coming in for some repairs for the bridge. So in front of the bridge, in front of this saddle here, the bridge, the wood part actually have came off, actually broke away. This is the second time it's broken apart. The first time I think the guy used epoxy, so I clean up a bit and use wood glue for this. So yeah, initially a bit hesitant to take the job because there's a possibility that it will break again because it's very narrow and it's very shallow. So I just opt out. I just tell the customer whether he's okay with that, then he says okay. Other than that, pro setup, normal standard tension strings, standard tuning with pro setup. Okay, so this is a test. Okay, electronics are okay as well. So apart from that, the guitar is good to go. Let me know when you want to pick up. Just gonna hold the guitar for another day just to monitor the bridge, whether it's separating or not. Hopefully it doesn't, then should be okay to pick up. Okay, I see you. Bye. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to contact me for any of the guitar work, you can WhatsApp me on 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.